if you say you want, make I beg you. I go beg you.
I go see am for outside. We want beg. Why they beg this demon say they possess am because
boy, me wanna calm down. I just want make it be that we feel all of una sef no dey hear word.
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, Chidinma no go fit come back with her own baby too. Why Kali still dey inside this house?
That one no be work.
Wetin I dey talk say at least if Nhasty come back, all of us put them together, tell Nhasty say
Minus me.
If Chidinma come here now, if Kali matter never solve, problem go see them. See, I don do my part. They get me o. I don tell Nhasty if he no find solution, we will take carry comot here. Me personally no go allow make him carry Chidinma come inside. Ask if you ask questions, go tell you people wey no know. I no be kind of person wey be say I dey see where something happen to Nhasty where I no go. I dey ready to find myself for where Nhasty dey get issue.
So why dey I want to see for this because na you can start all this thing. This me I don't tell people to Baba, allow me to make a go. Unless this guy dey possess. This guy no wan be for this house.
Calm down. See, if all of us gather here, go talk to Nhasty, go know wetin dey do. Leave me first. Anything wey dey talk.
No. Wetin happen? I no call anybody out. Wetin be this one now? You know wetin make I call on
Anything will make you call all of us. I no fit lis ten to you. I know. Nothing will get her where you go talk.
So me will bring my time. Call everybody come out here. So I no get.
Your time no work anything.
What you know say you want talk? If this person, na the heartless wey get na make him dry like this. You know they use yourself. Let me progress.
I no get time for this.
Let me progress.
Right, calm down.
What do you know say you want talk?
Calm down first. Since say na you call us, come outside. May we listen to am.
Baba, no fit listen to this one.
You
dey listen to Nhasty? You dey listen to Nhasty?
You be Nhasty. I wait, but I told listen to
me. I no be Nhasty and you no be Nhasty. We
wetin dey do again now? Wetin be the big thing wey dey here?
See. Wait, just go and snap the same. I don't make person cause for the job. Where dey my heart? I don't person cause for the job. Where dey my heart?
Chidinma don possess you.
Chidinma don born.
Chidinma don carry the demon.
First time I join this morning,
you dey get joy say Chidinma don born. Likewise me, I no know for any other person. Me too, I dey happy say
nothing you wan tell me, Baba. You no get joy anything.
I take no get joy.
You no get joy.
See, listen to me.
We know.
I get one reason wey make I call everybody come out here.
Something
that one is not dominant.
This is not finish.
Okay, fine.
This
thing make I tell una wetin make I tell.
Guy, calm down first. You see, as the Mule Empire dey now, we need peace. New baby dey come this empire. We need to. If na talk wey go solve anything wey go solve am. Who tell see as una no dey gree now, dem sef no go gree. Make we talk first, make we know how we take reason matter first.
Who wan bring the peace?
Make two of us talk. Make we hear
wetin I wan talk.
Baba no dey hear.
You fit hear wetin I wan talk.
Right.
Unless say this guy dey possess. This guy no wan bring for this house.
Calm down. See, if all of us gather here, go talk to Nhasty, go know wetin dey do. Leave me first. Anything wey dey talk.
Wetin happen?
It's that's why the
I no call anybody out. Wetin be this one now?
Right.
You see the problem now. Why you come out now? Make them come dey fight.
No be only you I call out here. Up to dey here, Ali dey here, Emirates dey here, Brighton dey here, Kingdom dey here. Which one you wan call the dancing na?
You fit talk wetin you want.
I want something no dey house. Likewise, the other person.
Me too, I no dey house.
Wetin dey for you?
No dey house.
Okay. Just wait make clear you. You dey aware say this job dey plan how they will take sacrifice Chidinma baby.
Ogare.
See, you don't hear that one. You don't hear that one.
Put wetin person dey talk for front. You don't need to dey put wetin person dey talk for front.
No come spoil my mood.
Okay, fine. I no wan spoil your mind. Listen to wetin I wan talk.
Wetin you know say you wan talk?
You dey here.
Wetin you know say you wan talk?
See wetin I wan talk. Wetin make I call una here be say I want situation whereby as Nhasty now never come back to Chidinma for this house. As you know say Chidinma don born. Chidinma na one person wey dey make Nhasty no dey understand something.
You see wetin I dey talk? You dey see how do I dey talk? Wetin bring Chidinma come this
I wan make understand.
Who dey innocent? That devil.
I go punch your
Tell am na innocent.
No let this side.
Tell am.
Listen.
Wait.
I want
Tell am first because I go wetin I go do. I'm not go like am. Wetin I go do if you talk nonsense again I go lose you now.
You no go see do anything.
You just respect the judge.
You no go do anything.
They make this thing wetin come bring Chidinma come this issue now.
I dey try me and Chidinma don dey for this house for long. You no need to tell me the kind
Na
person
this one.
Calm down. Easy. If you wan talk about person or anybody, even though you and I get beef before, just do am and make everybody no fit shout for here. Make respect the man for listen to me.
You dey vex, don't let you dey vex.
I am vex.
I no come make everything.
I don't make I dey my day. You call me come outside. Why you call me? No, na calm
Mama,
down.
try I don't know.
Calm
If you like, carry your hit for war. Wetin I wan tell una be say, as Nhasty dey come here, I want make all of us wey dey this house, be it old or new, if they get issue, no dey get issue, make all of us put hand talk to Nhasty. If all of us put hand talk to Nhasty, then you go feel say okay, since everybody don settle down, follow am talk, then you go be like say okay, you go about Kali, make him fit do something.
God forbid.
So wetin you get my come outside when I come to talk rubbish I no vex no tell me the
You know the person dey talk. This one wey just come. If you don't make a start if you dey mad.
No, na calm down. All these things.
You see the thing
I dey tell you I go
wait,
dey
I go take
calm down. You calm down. Before you call us, you already know wetin go happen. That's why bright, abeg. No dey call me. See, why they try make peace dey this empire? Chidinma don put to bed. You go need to come back this empire, and this empire need to be conducive enough for that baby. And tell them what. So wetin you wan make I do now? No, we reason together. If na to talk to Nhasty, we go talk to Nhasty with Brightos. We go reason with who? Na this thing, una no go gree, dem no go gree. Na this thing dey come wahala for the empire.
Understand something. Brightos, see, I don dey the house. You dey get me o? I don get wetin me I want. You just come. I don't understand the fact say if this problem continue, Baba, you no go achieve wetin you come here for. We go continue to get issue.
I already know say you no wan make I achieve wetin Kali come, but I go see am. Baba, I don't now. All of us. Baba, we go achieve wetin we come for.
You go hear am.
If you want to achieve the matter, we never come here. Make I never tell why I come this time. Make I clear you one way you know, but you no go talk am. Since after smart issue, I know dey, but after smart issue, na you be the main problem wait for this empire. Because na you start up before Kali start him own, na you teach Kali how to beat Nhasty.
People ask if you ask question to tell you, people wey no know. I no be kind of person wey be say I dey see where something dey happen to Nhasty where I no go. I dey ready to find myself for where Nhasty dey get issue.
So why
they get me o? But because of say before this matter na matter wey be say Nhasty no dey do right.
Abeg. Calm down. The main point wey we gather us here na to bury this matter.
Why dey I want to see for you because na you can start all this thing. This time this me I don't tell people
if you
send them again you go get me for here.
If you say you want make I beg you, I go beg you.
I go see am for outside. We wan beg. Why dey beg this demon say they possess am because
boy, make una calm down.
I just want make it be said
we fear all of una sef no dey hear word.
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, make I ask if we do like this now, Chidinma come back. How you want make the peace dey?
So far as I dey this house, I no get bad day here. May Nhasty carry Chima near this gate.
Na why you no go learn wetin go on? Na why una no go learn wetin una come this
ready to you Baba, I go cripple you. I go do wetin you no like. I don dey for fine because na if go buy knife if the market dey for market you
see the reason why they talk am now. Joy born pikin before Joy don born pikin before Kali get this issue. Now Joy don dey conducive to even endure the situation of this house. Me now dey put am up say Chidinma no go fit come back with her own baby too. Why Kali still dey inside this house? That one no fit work. Wetin I dey talk be say at least if Nhasty come back, all of us put them together tell Nhasty say you see.
You know say inside the smell. I wan ask you, Brighto. You know say inside the smell. Now that's smelling inside that baby.
Don't God make the girl come house, come stay for this kind of situation.
Now, even though say me, I go talk to Nhasty. I no go be anything concerning Kali.
See now.
I dey tell you now. Since una no want peace for this house, una no go see peace. If una say you dey talk say na war. If Baba get ready for the war. Thank God. God don answer my prayer. God don born.
Thank you.
And now I go vex una.
Thank you.
Anything no I want.
When you go never don put to bed, at least don't put it to bed also.
No,
If
I need you, you run.
Hear me first.
When you go get sense, Nhasty come house now. Nhasty come house this morning. All to see if Chidima don't come back, as if Chidima never come back. Now, in the year, in a year, self, woman assistant, they do video. With me, I even involve myself for the video. Just to tell and say, me, the only place I will get issue now. If you not talk to Nhasty, me will find solution concerning Kali. I'm not talking about I will beat her. I tell him
personally. Kali for here.
I'm not going to mention Kali. You know the man. Okay, since the be say on no one put am to ourselves say that boy dey critical condition, we need to settle down. No solution concerning the whole thing.
Critical condition when that boy dey misbehave. Where una dey? When you say una no.
When that's the misbehave, why you dey? Why you no go understand that?
You never call meeting one day. Call all of us when Kali dey misbehave. Tell am say make you stop the evil wey you do. You don't get for us. You don't do am. You do am after me now.
I personally caution everybody wey dey involved concerning this whole thing. You dey get me o? This point na point of life. This point na matter of life and death. If that boy dey no find solution concerning that boy, you know this time that boy feel like make am clear to you. If anything happen to that boy, be you new or old here, but everybody go face am. Everybody go face am.
Let bygone be bygone. Una wan bygone. Wetin be all this one now? Let bygone be bygone now.
You know, fine. Me, I don't personally tell Nhasty.
Make I dey together with
I dey always tell you.
You wey be say you no dey use eye see good thing wey dey come from us.
Bright at the up to. You no need to side down. I no need to. You just need to come together. Make we know wetin go do.
And this go
You know make I come together with this one.
No be say you don come in friends. You know say if Chidinma come here now, if Kali matter never solve, problem go still dey.
I don't do my part, they get me. I don't tell Nhasty. If he no find solution, we will take carry community. And me personally, no go alone. Making carry Chidinma come inside. I know the best person, but I dey tell you what now.
You don't talk your own.
Yes.
My own now.
I dey tell you what now.
My own now be say God don finally answer my prayer. Chidinma don born.
Okay, you wan go now.
Go where?
Then what you go here now?
Baba, as she don born now, make she come back. If she come back,
Come
that
back.
thing wey una
This guy dey dream. This guy dey dream. It's Chidinma. I'm going to allow me to make
Don't let the devil see this guy. The way he make wetin happen to Kali.
If you talk too much,
When you go get sense? When you go get sense?
I don't know.
Bright, wetin you go understand be say.
You think say upload the devil?
Round the your brother, no be everything be violence. All these things wey dey happen for here now, all these things wey dey happen for here, you need to solve am.
all these ones wey una talk na rubbish talk. Instead why I go dey here make una dey spoil my mood. The joy wey I don dey get since yesterday. Better say I baff go meet Chidinma go see the newborn baby wey come this world.
If you dey go with am, no come back this house.
Me and you know say your
We go break your head.
Comot for my road abeg. As for you, no try call me for this nonsense meeting again because you no go like am.
The other day you come meet me, tell me say make I put an end to this thing. I tell you say for the fact say Nhasty dey involved. If Nhasty never stand up, do the right thing, every other person wey dey inside no go wan gree. You meet me that day, they tell me say mo find way end this whole thing. I tell you say Baba, the problem wey dey this house, if Nhasty no stand up, put an end, e no go end. Okay, I go meet Nhasty, dey talk to Nhasty sef, even as Nhasty dey go, wetin Nhasty tell me? Nhasty tell me say when Kali do the whole thing, whether him dey. But now Chidinma don put over, him don run come.
Now she must stop.
Yes,
How we go take?
That man go fix the leg for here.
Peace for this empire now.
I say make I just do my part because tomorrow night dem go talk say I keep on causing problem. Now I don call everybody as senior colleague or maybe as first wey still dey the empire. Now nobody dem don dey do as if say na their hair strong pass. They don dey do as say na their hair strong pass. Make e no be like say I no talk or I no wan settle, I no wan peace or I me just one problem. now who wants the problem now?
Eh?
Who wants the
If
problem?
this thing na all of our sister now, who go gree make im sister dey this
Come this house as this place dey. They no go fit understand something. They no